We want to have a translucent pendant light, semi-spherical, with an embossed pattern, which is still translucent, but also provide a profile on the top. When scanning the market, we are looking for a partner who is able to provide the design intent, and we couldn't find anyone. We have a couple of requirements which are not discussable. So there is no off-the-shelf solutions. We want to own the IP rights. We need a global scale. We need a short lead time. We need a high durability and a competitive cost. So we had a design intent, we had a drawing, we had an idea in mind, but failing with the previous methodology of production, we have been not really very hopeful that we can achieve this until we started a conversation. They showed us what is possible. There is unlimited opportunities with 3D printing, and that opens our mind to go the path towards this kind of solution. We did 2 rounds of samples, and after we saw the second sample, we have been so close to the original design intent, we never thought that this could be possible. It was an absolutely cooperation process. So after we fixed the design stuff, we recognized that the 3D printing and the benefits of using sustainable material, but also bringing the point of production close to the point of use, is a potential path to use for all luminaires in the future and bringing our supply chain closer to the place where it's needed. So there's a couple of things actually I want to emphasize on. The first is the result of the product, right? It really shimmers like velvet. The pattern is just stunning. That's the product. The other thing is really the way how we cooperated, the capabilities, the innovation piece. That's something which is a great learning for us, and we are happy to find such a great partner. It over-exceeded our expectation by far.